Mount Everest, the highest peak on Earth, towers at 29,029 feet. For decades, climbers fought against freezing temperatures, deadly avalanches, and oxygen-thin air. Many believed it was impossible to reach the summit without extra oxygen. But then, in 1978, Reinhold Messner shattered that belief. He became the first person to climb Everest without bottled oxygen. Why does this matter? At such high altitude, the air contains only about a third of the oxygen at sea level. Most climbers rely on supplemental oxygen to survive the brutal conditions. Without it, your body struggles, your brain can't think clearly, your muscles weaken, and the risk of death skyrockets. Messner's climb was not just a physical challenge, but a battle against his own body and mind. He faced intense cold, exhaustion, and hallucinations caused by oxygen deprivation. What many don't know is how much preparation and mental strength it took. Messner trained for years at high altitudes, pushing his body to adapt naturally. He studied how to pace himself, conserve energy, and endure extreme discomfort. His journey was lonely, grueling, and dangerous. Yet, he succeeded where others failed. This climb redefined what was possible in mountaineering. It inspired a new generation of climbers to push their limits without relying on oxygen tanks. But beyond the achievement, Messner's story teaches us something deeper. Sometimes, the biggest obstacles aren't outside, but inside ourselves. Limits exist mostly in our minds. With courage and preparation, we can surpass them. So next time you face a challenge that seems impossible, remember Reinhold Messner, the man who climbed the world's highest mountain without breathing equipment and showed us all how far human determination can go. Thanks for watching Deep Unfold. Stay curious. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one.